In this video, I'm going to show you how much money you can make with the Moosend affiliate program. So Moosend is a really popular email marketing and automation software. And so if you're running an online business where you do a lot of emails, then Moosend is going to be useful. In this video, not only will I show you how much you can make as an affiliate for Moosend, I'm also going to give you proof of how much money I made as an affiliate for a different software company, making super short, simple videos on the same channel that you're watching. So make sure you don't skip this video and watch until the end. Now let me show you the Moosend affiliate program. As you can see on their website, you can earn up to 40% recurring commissions. So they actually have a tiered structure where for the first 0 to 5 paid accounts that you refer, you'll get 30%, and then it goes up all the way up to 40%, as you can see here. And these are recurring commissions, so you're going to get commission every single month as long as a customer stays subscribed to their plan, and you'll keep earning your commission. This can add up to a lot of money, but I would recommend actually trying out Moosend before you become an affiliate so that you can give valuable information to your audience. Not only will that help them, that's also going to make them more likely to use your affiliate link and make a purchase so you can earn more commissions. I've included my affiliate link to Moosend in the description below, and you can actually try it out completely for free. Now, I feel like most people, you probably don't think you can actually make money from this unless you're like a huge influencer like Mr. Beast with like hundreds of millions of followers and subscribers, or you have to have super viral videos that get hundreds of thousands, if not millions of views to make real money from this. But is that really true?
Hell no! No!
I actually used a really unique strategy to set myself up with recurring commissions without creating any viral videos or even showing my face. So let me show you some actual proof so you can better understand what I mean. So here's my dashboard for ScaleNut, which is a content creation platform that uses AI to help people with their SEO so that you can get found in search results. As you can see, with just 11 clicks on my affiliate link, I got one person to sign up to ScaleNut, and this one sign up has already made me almost $90 in commissions. Now this says unpaid earnings because they had a minimum threshold of $50, which it didn't meet last month. So in this payment cycle, this money will actually get released to me. Now 89 bucks might now sound like a lot of money until you look at the videos on my channel that actually led to this result. These are some of the videos that I posted on my channel: Show Me Software, ScaleNut versus Jasper, only 15 views, 24 views, 10 views, 2 views, right? 3 views, 7 views. So I have like about 10 or so videos about ScaleNut posted, and mostly they're very short videos, like 2-minute videos, and they have very few views, and that has already made me almost $90 in commissions. Now the person who signed up, as long as they stay subscribed to ScaleNut's subscription plan, every single month I'm going to earn about $45. So this number is going to continue to go up most likely. Now imagine scaling this strategy up and having dozens or even hundreds of super short videos on your channel, each with an affiliate link. You can stack your monthly commissions and start making life-changing income way faster than most people realize. Now the problem is that most people don't understand the strategies to actually have a successful affiliate marketing business, because you can't just spam random content and throw your affiliate link around everywhere if you want to make serious money. I would recommend trying out Wealthy Affiliate, which is one of the oldest and most trusted affiliate marketing education platforms in the world. So as you can see on their website, they've been around for almost 20 years with over 2.6 million people who signed up for their training. And the best part is that you can actually get started completely for free with no credit card required. So if I log into my dashboard here on Wealthy Affiliate, you can see that they have lots of classes. You can learn about YouTube and copywriting and affiliate marketing through social media and email marketing. So you really learn how to make money with affiliate marketing on Wealthy Affiliate, and it's an absolutely amazing platform. So you can use the link in the description to get started with Wealthy Affiliate completely for free. And if you want to try out ScaleNut, then I also included the link in the description for that. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns in the comment section, and I'll get back to you ASAP. Thanks for watching.